Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Shamar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting, and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, people, before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one, subscribe to This or That Sports TV, and leave a comment on the video, please, man. Let me beg on yourself. Why is it beg them, bro?
Share the video to 10 people to ensure that you get us at least 6 subscribers, because each and every one of you guys watching right now can get us just 6 subscribers. You know how many subscribers I'll get us by the end of the video.
Yeah. Alright, so keeping up with the reggae boys, but I'm not sure which episode this is, but this is an episode. Yeah. So today we're going to focus on two things. The first one being a couple of the reggae boys, we're going to talk about them, season that they're having so far. And then we're going to attack the plan of the JFF / the senior men's team. So first, let's talk about a few players. We want to start with the big man Nicholson on the score sheet. I want to talk about Bobby Reid, I want to talk about Liam Bailey. And we want to start.
Bobby Reid.
What's that, Bobby Reid?
Yeah.
So can you give Bobby Reid some love still, bro?
Bobby Reid.
We feel like they must sleep on Bobby Reid.
Of course,
Bobby Reid is so good.
And the man stay in that Fulham team.
Yeah, 90 minutes.
He ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
And one thing about Bobby always managed to just play there for that score.
2 goals so far in the Premier League.
Yeah, bro.
It's not bad. Not bad. Yeah, Bobby Reid having a decent season in the Premier League. As I said a while ago, on 2
Playing
goals.
for a team that's in a decent season.
Yup. I'm one of the better players even on that team.
Yeah.
You know, he's there as a support. He's very versatile. And I must say he's, playing 90 minutes in almost every game. And it feels good to watch Bobby Reid. And again, one of the things that we love when you're watching the Premier League, you see that Jamaican flag when they're introducing the Bobby Reid scored last weekend. So we're going to give Bobby Reid a quick shout out. Big up Bobby Reid every time.
Takes the dumps.
Yeah, big up Bobby Reid. Bro, you said something. I can say it again. There should not be a reggae boy squad without Bobby Reid.
Can be.
And he continues to show us why.
Can be.
He continues to show us why. Is he one of the best Jamaican players?
Naturally, he's one of 4 Jamaican players.
I don't think you can name 4 without him.
I think he's one of 4 Jamaican players
In the best league in the
Premier
world.
League. He has to be one of the best.
Yeah.
For sure. Undisputed.
Yeah. So Bobby best reggae boys right now. And
We made our video.
Mm-hmm.
Speaking about the top 10 reggae boys, you know.
And Bobby Reid is in there.
Some people go and check out that video. That's a very rush. Make sure when the video is done,
I'll put it
you
there.
put that somewhere. That's a really, really good video.
Yeah.
One of my favorite videos.
Funny enough, we didn't plan it. We made our 10 players independently.
Yeah.
And then they came together with both at the same 10 players, different order.
And Bobby Reid was involved.
Bobby was in the part for sure. Yeah, bro, another player in the Premier League doing well, but we can spend a little time talking about this one. Liam Bailey having a decent season. Last video I said good. Bro, I'm expecting Liam Bailey to go on a run. What did we predict? 10 to 15 goals? I'm not seeing 10 to 15 goals from his performances, but I'm seeing decent performances.
Good performance.
Yeah.
But not Aston Villa's main man performance.
No.
And that is the intention that we and Aston Villa had for Liam Bailey, to be their main man. To be that guy that gets them 15 goal involvements and takes them to a next level. And I'm still waiting for that to happen. Maybe as we get towards the World Cup and after the World Cup, he'll blossom into what he needs to be. And I think, bro, this World Cup break might be good for these Jamaican players. Hopefully, I'm not sure the nuances of the team situation. Hopefully, they can get to play some football together, being Jamaicans.
Mm-hmm.
But what's more important than that is getting some rest and coming forward in January to just propose any kind of tasks.
Yeah, the thing is, bro, before the World Cup, I want to see 5 goals from Liam Bailey. I think he's on 1 right now. 2 assists or something like that. Or 2 goals and 1 assist. Sorry, he scored. I think he scored 2 goals so far. I want to see 5 goals at least. And if you could get to 6 or 7, that would be great. But I need 5 goals before November. I need to see it, bro, because as you said, maybe we're expecting too much of him. I don't think we are. But some people maybe will say, oh, we're expecting too much. What, $35 million? That's not Villa paid for you. You're supposed to be a star, man. You're getting game time. Again, people, I'm not bashing Liam Bailey, I'm not beating him. I'm saying I want to see more. That's just what it is. I see quality, I see ability. I see him getting chances. I see him getting in good positions. I see intelligence on the pitch. I see really good touch. So I want to see it translate to the score sheet. And obviously, we watch football and we know that everything doesn't always translate to a goal. A good performance doesn't always mean you score a hat-trick. But that's what I want to see from him. Liam Bailey, his whole thing is creative. He's a playmaker, he's a goal scorer, he's an assist maker. That's what he is. So I want to see that in the Premier League. And I've always been a big fan of him, and probably that is why I want to see so much from him. But maybe a lot of people are just pleased with what they're seeing, and I can't even be too mad at that. But yeah, Liam Bailey doing well in the Premier League so far. Let's talk about one more in the Premier League before we go over to anybody else. Mikel Antonio, bro, 1 goal so far in the Premier League. I mean, a rough start.
To be fair, I mean, West Ham on a whole, started very, very badly. The likes of, Dex and some of the other good players had just not stepped up to the plate, Generally, as a whole team, West Ham not look good. I found out a weird stat that they are the highest attending game in the team with the highest percentage attendance in the whole Premier League. It's not
Arsenal?
Not Arsenal. To be honest, Arsenal is not even the highest in North London.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's embarrassing. And Tottenham has a bigger stadium.
That's crazy.
So that shouldn't be the case. But anyways, West Ham, they have not performed very well. And I think their tide is starting to turn. Managing to beat Wolves 2-0. I had some Wolves players in my fantasy that kind of hurt me. But I think West Ham tide might be changing, and it has to be now because their coach is under pressure. The players are under pressure because West Ham are definitely underperforming. And I think because of that might explain why Mikel Antonio has not had his greatest start. I think there's still enough time to turn it around.
Yeah, there is. But yeah, he's a regular boy, and last season he had a red at start. And this is why, bro, you can't get too caught up and make outlandish claims. Last season, Mikel Antonio, a lot of people in the YouTube space, Mikel Antonio is the best thing since last spring. We know he's a good player, but then this season, slow start. Last season, a fast start. And you can't just say all of a sudden no he's a ball. That's just not the case. It's just a bad start. And this whole team is having a bad start.
Neutrality.
And that's what it is. Let's talk about our skipper for the Reggae Boys, bro. I saw on social media the other day that he won an award. I think it's the Warner Baker Award in Philly, where I think they give it to like the best sportsman of the year or something. And that's a great achievement, bro, for Jamaica, And the thing is, Andre Blake is so respected in Philadelphia. I mean, that's an award that the greats win. I'm talking about some NBA players and hockey players. So if a youth from Jamaica can go and make a million like that, bro, you have to. I want to give Andre Blake a quick shout out for that. We don't have to do it on it, but yeah.
As I said, number 18 Andre Blake is
different grade.
That number 1 Andre Blake. Still believes that Mikel Antonio can get the 13. Dylan Barnes can get the 1 and Andre Blake can get 18. I still think that's what it should be, but smart. To be honest, Andre Blake probably always dreamt about being number 1 for Jamaica regardless. I don't think that's going to change anytime soon.
Yeah.
But him playing in that Philly team is that different player.
Love to see it. Let's get to the big man. Our star forward, Shamar Nicholson, finally played 90 minutes for Spartak Moscow and scoring a goal. He's on the score sheet. Love to see it. Bro, I've been wondering all season. I bought him last season from Belgium. He was, he scored a lot of goals last season. A very, very good performance. And this season, he just wasn't starting.
Yeah, it's weird.
Coming on.
There were rumors about him probably leaving, went to Turkey. That's what I was hearing.
Galatasaray.
But I'm not sure. Obviously, there's not that much news from out of Russia, that we can follow, so on and so forth. But you love to see him get a full night, you love to see him score, but that's important. Shamar Nicholson is a big baller regardless.
Love to see it. I want to see him catch form now and score. Build on the season that he had last year. Still early in the domestic season so far. And we want to see our Jamaican players do it. So Shamar Nicholson, keep doing well, keep striving. Keep thriving. We love to see it. Now to the meat of the matter, bro. What's next for the Reggae Boys and the GFF? What's next? What's the plan? New coach, got a big friendly in America. Feel like we gave a respectable account of ourselves, And no, we want to know what's going on. What's the next friendly? What is the plan with the coach? There are a long-term plan to develop football in the cut. What is going? What do you expect to see from
bro, the GFF look like they're turning a leaf. Like they're attempting to improve Jamaica's football. Is it the protesting that we did? Is it us calling them out, so on and so forth? Changes seem to be, and I'm very impressed. We secured a friendly right before the World Cup. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to field our full complement of players. I'm not sure if West Ham will be releasing Antonio or if Liam Bain will be released from Villa, so on and so forth. You hope so. But just the fact that the JFF is working, and getting stuff organized, it looks good. It looks like they're actually trying. It looks like they're making some right changes. As I said, I'm for the appointment of this new coach. I believe that he is good for the program. I believe an external voice might help the program, and as somebody that players might respect a bit more, somebody that is unbiased, somebody that's not affiliated to the JFF. There are a lot of things that I think are happening positively. The JFF are making in the right direction.
Would you go as far to say you believe in what they're doing? Do you believe them to have the right intentions right now? Because we've always questioned their intentions.
It surely seems that way.
Yeah. And I ask a question. I want people to answer. I don't say a lot of people answer. Do you want this JFF to do better? Do you want a new JFF? Bro, you said it in the last video. Anyone come first.
Whichever comes first.
Whichever comes first, that's what we want to see. And bro, if these people got a kick up the backside, if for want of a better expression, and they decide that these players aren't joking, they will boycott. They will cost us thousands, if not millions of Jamaican dollars to pay in fines. They will get us suspended if they boycott games. They're serious about this. They will call on the fans to protest. Hey, let's put a process. Let's do this the right way. And if that is what is going on, I'm for it. I must say I will back the JFF if that's what's going on, bro. Country first, Jamaica first. I'm not supporting my kids. I'm not supporting the Gensec. I'm not supporting anybody up there. I'm supporting Jamaica. I'm supporting our football association, our football federation. That's what I'm doing. So if they seem to be going in the right direction, bro, I'm with it. One thing though I like what they did, the innovation of getting a better coach. I don't think they could find $5 million to give him. And that would even be high, that would be even be high salary for an international coach. So they gave him $5 million Jamaican dollars. The JFF now that you give. So here what? What's the rumor that we heard? Him being able to have his practice because he's a dentist and do the coaching gig, and I don't think that would be on the side, or his coaching would be the dentist would be on the side. I'm more leaning towards the dentist to be on the side, but that's innovation right there. And if it works, that would be brilliant, bro. I really like that idea.
Well, he's in theory. He's in Jamaica. He has a good team. Apparently his coaching style is very good. Bro, as I said, anything to get a good solid coach, and to save the JFF some money, and save the Federation some money. So I'm very impressed with it, and it seems to work thus far. I can't wait to see how it works going forward.
Yeah, I love that. I want to hear him speak some more. I want to hear him speak to the media and tell us your plans. We want to hear your plans. We want to know if you want to take. We want to know if we're aligned with what you want. So tell us about your development plans. Tell us about what you hope to see from the JPL that is about to start soon. Tell us what you want to see from schoolboy football, because at the end of the day, these are the places where our players will be coming from. So yes, people, this is our Keeping Up with the Reggae Boys episode something. Tell us what you think about these topics. If we left out any player in the first segment that's doing well so far in their domestic league, please put in the comment section. What do you want to see from the JFF after this Argentina game? What do you want to see? Do you think they're going in the right direction? Do you think this is all smoke and mirrors? Do you think this is just some charades they're playing folks? Let's try to get a face and put him out there and say whatever happens. People, tell us. We want to hear your opinions. So yeah, what do you want to put it before we leave them, bro?
Share the video to at least 10 people. Ensure make sure it says 6 people subscribe. Because if that happens, that will get us a lot of subscribers by the end of the day. And who knows? We might be at that friendly in Cameroon. Yeah. All right, people. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You heard it. Don't forget, this is our Sports TV. Oh, yeah.